Welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time since I played. And, well, yeah. I'm going through old worlds. But the thing is, this is like the last one on my list. The last world that I've ever played on. Oh no. It's an old computer, old Minecraft. That's why I have a noob skin. Duh! Anyway. This is called Sky Island, and it literally has nothing in it. Now I get why I don't play in this world. It's terrible. All I have is this dirt tower, which I spawned on. Next world. I will explain some of the things if I remember it. If I don't, well, yeah. No, this one. Me and my friends made a team. And, well, yeah. I should probably get outside and start the full tour. So me and my friends made like a team, and well, I play on the PS4 now, but this is old. Sorry if it's glitchy. It's just because it's old. I'm still getting used to the glitchiness. Anyway, so we live in a mountain. Cool mountain. So let's start the tour. So here's the front door. So we come in here. Here's the kitchen. Chicken cake? I don't know. I let my friends into this room. This is the fridge. And that's the bin. Oh, dang it. This is the bin. It's made out of lava because, yeah. And here's my recording studio. This is not actually what it looks like. And here's the lounge room. It's a lounge room with a giant TV. That's what I call a TV. Let's go out the back. Here's the table. The barbecue. Sorry if it's glitchy. It's just because this is very old. Very, very old. Anyway. Whoop.
Do you want pancakes?
My sister's bothering me. Told her she shouldn't interfere with recording. Anyway, here's my garden. And a bunch of my friends' gardens, which they still haven't put anything in. Nope. Everything's so glitchy. That's what I hate. Let's go upstairs. Here's my room. Very purple, I know. Got a closet down here. Yep. And over here, it's my boyfriend's room. It's empty, I know. He didn't play with it. My other friends did. And there's like parkour here, which I'm not sure if I can make it. It's so glitchy. I might fall, so if I fall, it's just the glitchiness. Anyway, here's the view. Even though it's like the second last world I've ever been in, it's been a long time since I played in any of these worlds. This is my new series. I know I did Crazy Mind back then. Here's the bathroom. Yep. Here's the ladder. Just saying, this is very old, so there's no skins. or lanterns or tridents or whatever. There's no shields as well. One of my friends were annoying me because they thought shields were in this, and they're like, "Where's the shields?" It's crazy. Whoop. This is parkour. Ah! Whoop. It's glitchy. This is like the worst parkour ever. You pretty much get there, then you parkour back. Has a bed there to save. It's like the worst room. I hate that. I've never passed that parkour. And I made it. Here's something I like to call the drying room. I'm not sure why it's called the drying room. But I have a secret base right there. You're meant to drop through using that and walk through the fire. But looks like some people just ruined it. Anyway. Doop. Terrible. Duh. So glitchy, I keep on missing. Okay, there. And there's like a big chimney. Goes all the way up to the top of the mountain. It's a big mountain. Duh. Drop. I just keep on getting higher up. Ah! There. I don't care if I die. Okay. Anyway. Nope. That glitching out. Just letting you know, all the other times I was recording, I didn't actually have a proper set. This is kind of nerve-wracking because I don't have a proper set. Whoop. Up here is some more rooms, just because I couldn't fit it downstairs. And here's one of my friend's rooms. He got squished a little bit in all the chaos. Here's another friend's room. Wait, no. That room's my sister's room. This is my friend's room. This is his room. He put a bunk bed in it. Great. Oh, and friends, if you're watching, if you're like, no, that's my room, not their room. I don't have a good memory. Anyway, this is my friend who was the leader of our group room. Anyway, so as you saw before, this is the way up. And it's up to a library with a movie theater. I know, terrible seats, but it's a movie theater. Has, see the chimney, then it has like seats that flap up like that. And another garbage bin. Because you need 2 lava garbage bins. Whoop. Anyway, that concludes our tour of the, well, that concludes our tour of the main building. Oh my gosh, I would love to put like brilliant hiding spots in here. There would be like so many, but it's too glitchy. That concludes the tour of the big place. I will show you little places. So that's somewhere our leader's brother built. I'm not sure what it is. Oh no, it's a glitch. shift. Yes. Yes. It's so glitchy. Hopefully the other worlds won't be as glitchy. There's a world that I'm actually really proud of. But that'll probably be on the last videos because it's like, oh my gosh. And there's one of my friend's things. Oh, there's my boyfriend's end portal. Here's the fashion show place I made. I made it. Nope. Nope. Did I block it? Yep, I did. Not sure why I blocked it. But that's past me. And the office phone's ringing. If you can hear the sound. It's annoying. Anyway, so these are the change rooms. I don't know, I think I locked my sister in one. I have a confusing history. Oh, so glitchy. Here's the roller coaster I made. It took like 1 hour to make. Because I was a noob at Minecraft. Like, this was the only Minecraft my parents had for me. So, yeah. But I saved up enough money and now I got Minecraft on the PS4. And you're probably wondering, why aren't we on that? Well, because, well, I forgot how many worlds I have, and so I thought it would be entertaining if we just went through my old worlds. Whoop. Because I made up some crazy self-roleplays. My friend's like, you can't have a self-roleplay by yourself. And I'm like, yes, you can. I just pretend the people are there when they're not. Chickens! Terrible. Terrible, terrible, terrible. Terrible! Now we're going backwards. Great. So the ride would have gone like, whoop, like that, and then it would have gone over and back to the beginning. This is so glitchy. Do you know what I'm scared of? I'm scared if what happens is like I finish recording and then I found out I wasn't recording at all. I would have to do it all over again. Whoop. Whoop. Yes! Okay. That concludes our tour. Whoop. Nope. I've forgotten these controls. I don't play this much. That concludes our tour for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. We might have some little side effects, but who cares? This is Glitchy, but we're gonna have different worlds. Whoop, doo 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 doo. Okay, please like and subscribe, and like for more. Even if you don't like it, I will make more. Okay, just need it quickly.